Hello everybody, Dylan Geddes here, Gnarled Iron Forge, and today we're going to be starting something a little bit on the fun side. Today I'm going to be making some camping utensils, some camping tools. I'm going to be doing this for quite some time, probably going to be doing that for the better part of this week. I got a couple of things that I want to get done before I go on a camping trip. So I got some ideas here, I got some steel, and I am going to be making a set of campfire irons, or a campfire tripod. Basically something that you can utilize as both a spit over a fire and as a tripod to hang some of your some like pots and pans and such from. We're going to be using this here, just some 3/8 square. I got quite a bit of it. This is 4 feet long each piece, and I got 3 pieces here, 2 of which are going to be put into a nice circle, and then the other one is going to be used to connect those two together, and I will show you how to do that at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. The forge is fired up. Let's get this heated up and get forging. We're going to start by getting a taper. Just like that. Just something pretty simple. Move on to the next one. There we go. That one's better. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get our bend down in here, down to probably a 90. No, we'll do our loop first, get that nice and even, and then we'll move on to the bending it back. Gonna need to refine that a little bit, just a little. And now we gotta bend this back around and then tighten it all in. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna tighten that in. That's definitely not the cleanest thing in the world. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and replicate that on the other one. And these will be these 2 tongs done. Or not tongs, these, I guess I'll call them loops done. All right, so now we're starting on what I'm gonna be calling the connection piece. Again, starting off with a taper. This is why it's so important to practice tapering as a blacksmith. You use it freaking everywhere, my guys. All right, now what we're gonna do, little scroll on this, big hook, and then we're gonna twist it back on itself, or turn it back on itself. There. See, I told you I could scroll. Now we're gonna cool that off. And we're gonna get a little pre-bend on that bad boy. And now we're gonna go ahead and over to the smaller diameter bending jig, and we're gonna bend this hook. Again, cool off your scroll. Don't want to mess up any of that beautiful work that you did. We're gonna send it in there. Now I want this to be kind of a deeper hook, so we're gonna do that. Gotta get on this side. Where are my bending forks at? Not too bad. Let me a little bit on that side real quick. There we go. That. Straighten that out. A little bit more straightened. All right, now we're gonna heat up right into about here-ish, and we're gonna bend that on itself. Now I'm just gonna go over the heel. Sort of true everything up. Now it's at this point you can decide what you want to do with it, really. I mean, you can forge weld this, you can leave it, forge weld a plane on it, give it a twist, whatever you'd like. Since this is a trial pair for me, I'm just trying these out. I've never used them before while camping, so I don't know if there's something that I really enjoy yet. I'm going to just leave them alone for now. But yeah, that's actually the whole set complete. It's just a lot of work up in here. You get your tapering on the bottom just for feet. And yeah, I'll show you how they work real quick. Here they are all set up. Normally accompanied by an S-hook with some chain on it, so that way you can hang it over a fire and whatnot. Take a little bit of time, get everything nice. But yeah, there you go. Little set of campfire irons, not too bad. Well, friends, that's all the time that I got for you now. If you like the video, please like it. If you dislike the video, feel free to dislike it. Let me know why in the comments down below as to why you either like it or dislike it, so that way I might better make content for all you lovely individuals in the future. It truly means a lot that you decided to take some time out of your day to watch my video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. If you want to see more content like this and you enjoy it, please consider subscribing, giving the little bell a ring, because it'll let you know when I post videos. Pretty consistent now. I post at least one video a week, but I've been posting quite a few more per week. It's crazy that we're already up to 110 videos. Wow, that's wild. Anyway, if you, yeah, I really appreciate it. If you like camping and stuff like that, I'm considering doing a video at the end of this where I go camping. I like to rough it, so I like to go out with just a backpack and a tarp, sleeping bag, figure it out from there, some tools obviously, and I'm forging all of this as a part of just a little fun thing to do. Yeah, so if you want to see that that video, let me know. And I'm gonna be making some more camping utensils. I got a couple of ideas for a couple of more things that I'm gonna make. Anyway, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please stay warm, stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.